We're at a point of our lives where we can finally afford our dream cars. What's up? My name is Max, also known as Mr. Cylinder on Instagram.
I'm Gabri, also known as the Nardo S3, and this is our new channel.
So, what is Goldenberry? Basically, we've decided to unite and we are gonna bring both of our contents together on YouTube. We're gonna move out of Instagram and we're gonna focus on YouTube to bring you some epic content from all around the world. We've had some really cool experiences in our past. I've been all around Europe, especially I know London and I know Germany. This guy has traveled
US, all the car shows, SEMA. He took me to Wörthersee and that was like awesome.
Yeah man, gumi all day, all night, wake up at 7, gumi, turbo curve, everything all the time.
The past 4 years were like epic. We did all kind of shit. And now
we're at a point of our lives where we can finally afford our dream cars. Basically, we're gonna take inspiration by everything that we've seen around Europe and in the US. Today we're gonna give you an introduction to our two cars, our current cars, the cars that basically built our friendship. They're pretty similar. I have a Golf R.
I had an S3.
They're basically the same car in a different shell. The famous 2-liter from VW EA888. It's an amazing engine, it's an amazing car, they're both amazing cars. Unfortunately, it's not built anymore. Basically, I'm reverting it back to stock because of police in Italy. And I'm gonna show you my current daily. My current daily is a pretty cheap ass sleeper, but it's got decent engine, 400 horsepower, shoots flames, it's pretty fun.
I'll show you my sexy S3. In about a week it's going away, but you'll see, we have big plans.
Our plans are gonna bring us all over Europe, all over the world. We hope to bring to Italy the content that's missing, the content that nobody's ever seen, or at least that people have seen, but not right here.
Because right here, we have some sceneries, spots we know that are crazy nice.
Yeah, the car culture in Italy is amazing, however the laws aren't as comfortable as the US and London. We've prepared some cool tricks to get around that, and
Max has a big knowledge on engines and builds. On my side, I know a lot about social media and content creation, and I like cars, really nice cars. Put this together and it's a perfect combo.
We're gonna work together to bring you guys some really epic content. We are based in Italy, specifically in Milan. It's in the north of Italy, it's surrounded by the lakes, it's surrounded by the mountains. There's a lot to do right here. We're gonna speak in English in this channel for a simple reason. Basically, it's just viewership. We want as many people as possible to view our channel and we want them to experience what it's like to drive and own cars and have fun in Italy. We hope this is the right way and we're still gonna include some Italian for our Italian audience. And let's go. I'm gonna show you my current daily. It's right behind the camera. It's a Golf 5 GTI with an engine swap. Let's go. Ta-da! Here we are. Also, there's another member of the team. This is Pipino the doggo. He's my little sweetheart. Go, baby. This is my second baby sweetheart. This is my daily. This is a Golf 5 GTI from 2004. It's not really the craziest car. It's actually a pretty fat shit box. But I really love it. I like it for one specific reason, and it's this. You can go on the front and see it. Actually, there's something I want you to see first. It's a little sneak peek to what's coming. See this baby? That's fully straight pipe. Let's see what it's hiding. This is a CTL 2-liter engine, straight out of a Golf 6R. It's an amazing engine for specific reasons. It just shoots flames like a motherfucker. We've got 4 different maps. First map, 95 octane. Second map, 100 octane. Third map, 100 octane plus methanol. Fourth map, E85. I don't either have meth or E85, so we're still not really there, but it's 370 horsepower. It's pretty fun. Let's see inside. There's nothing to see inside, but I'm willing to show you a steering wheel. There you go. It's dirty, it's ugly, it's a piece of shit, but it's fun. Why this car? I've had a couple of cars before. Before this one, I had a Caddy and I had a Golf R. The Golf R was pretty nice. It was stage 3. If you guys followed me on Instagram, you guys know what car I'm talking about. This car was just I wanted to please myself with something that was unnoticeable, something really chill. It's also debadged in the back. It just looks like a Golf diesel that makes a lot of noise. And it's actually pretty fun. It's not the fastest, but it can keep up with some pretty decent hot hatches, and it's nice.
And it shoots flames.
It shoots flames. Yeah, it shoots flames.
It's all about that.
Yeah, it's all about that, man. You guys want to see them? I'm gonna show you. We're inside the car, and I'm gonna show you how I switch my maps. So the tuner has installed a map switch on my cruise control switch. So as you can see, I can turn it on, I can turn off traction control, and then I can switch, you can see right here, up and down the maps. Every time EPC comes up, I'm going up and I'm going down. So right now I'm in the map 1, so it won't shoot any flames. It's basically a stock map. But then I can put it in map 2. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go warm it up and we're gonna shoot some flames. Let's go. Did it shoot flames? I don't know.
I can't fucking hear anything, guys.
It does kind of hurt. It was dumb to do it inside, but it's so much fun.
My ears are bleeding.
I'm gonna let this car cool down for a second, and in the meantime, Gabri's gonna show you his car. Bye bye.
This is my 2018 Audi S3. It's Nardo Grey. It's an Audi exclusive color on this model. It has all black optics, debadged with the RS grille. The car sits on 19-inch Ozeta Super Turismo in this nice silver with the center locks and turns as well. Let's take a look at the rear end. Tinted lights on the back. The exhaust is a custom exhaust decat and with a valved rear section. We have a forged carbon rear diffuser extension. Car is lowered on Bilstein shocks and Bilstein springs. Now I'm gonna show you the interior. Alcantara and forged carbon steering wheel. The Audi virtual cockpit. Red accents and sport seats with red stitching. The steering wheel has multifunction and LED rev limiter lights. Let's check the engine. Nothing special. It's a stage 2. It has an R600 intake. We have TBF silicone tubes, AirTech intercooler, and it puts out 400 HP. We're gonna do a sound check.
So we gave you a little insight on our life. I hope you liked it. Audi's S3 is amazing. My Golf GTI is a piece of shit, but it goes really fast. Plus, I've got something coming, a little surprise. It's actually not that small, but it's pretty cool. I hope you guys like what's coming. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe. Max just called me, he's minutes away, so we're waiting this new toy.
This has been a dream of mine for so long.